So I was a little tired from all the traveling and pretty hungry. Really looking forward to a traditional Bribri meal, which is often rice, beans, fruits, many fruits like bananas and plantains, of course, fish or pork or chicken, and other local vegetables, roots, herbs. And when I arrived, I could not even believe my serendipitous good fortune. I am surely in good favor with the Bribri gods because Chef Pablo and friends, Maureen, Kevin, Caroline, Antonio, and Mike were there with their big, friendly, open hearts, adventurous like me. I can't tell you just how good it felt to be around them. Beautiful music, cooking amazing, authentic meals, and they truly embraced me and my quest to spend time with the Bribri. I recognize Pablo from an episode of Eater's Guide to the World, episode 4, I think season 1, which I hope you will look up. And I'll post a link to this very enjoyable little YouTube video of Roger and Pablo in the description of this video as well as in the comments.
It's heart of palm, carrots, and chayote picadillo.
Paleta.
Paleta, exacto, paleta. Bien, Maureen.
En inglés.
¿Cómo se dice paleta en inglés?
Paleta es shoulder, I think.
Pero shoulder no es solo esto, porque paleta es hasta acá
Yeah.
y hasta aquí. Porque aquí.
¿Sí?
No, random.
Pablo's restaurant is located in San Jose, Costa Rica, and is so brilliantly named Siqua. Siqua is the Bribri word for anyone not Bribri, and you can find Siqua Restaurant on Facebook. This is Antonio filming. Let's not compare his talent and artful videos to my amateur shares. We're all special. Maureen, you can see back there in her cute short shorts, is also a cook, and you'll see Kevin pretty much doing everything in the kitchen except the cooking. Even Hader, talking right there, our beloved Bribri friend and guide, is immersed in the rhythm of this beautiful kitchen dance together with everyone. As I take it all in, sitting there with my totally happy grin, heart full. Many recipes are directly from Roger's mother, Doña Petra, and with help from Doña Yami, seen here with Pablo. What a great night.